My Lord, I am showing your Lordship from their constitution, which is at page 124, and if your Lordship graciously proceeds to page Federal Election Commission, secondly, you again taken my paper. My Lord, at file 1, page 192. That one.
ये मेरी आपको क्या चाहिए?
Sir, your Lordship will see functions.
किस आर्टिकल?
Page 192. इसको दिखाना मुझे page 192.
9 तो इधर है ही नहीं. अच्छा रोमन
9.
जी फेडरल ये तो हम पढ़ चुके हैं.
My Lord, the Secretary General shall propose with the approval of the Chairman. Yes, my Lord. The Secretary General shall propose with the approval of the Chairman the names for all the 6 Commissioner and Chief of the Federal Election Commission from outside the membership of the National Council, and that's the method of how they are elected. Paragraph 5. The Commission can co-opt associated members for specific jobs departments and may co-opt members for any vacancy arising out of resignation or incapacitation of a member. 6. In case of the resignation or incapacitation of the Chief Federal Election Commission, full above mentioned procedure need to be adopted, which is the procedure of election given in paragraphs 2 and 3 above. So while a co-option,
तो आपका कहना है कि उमर अयूब साहब के पास कोई इख्तियार नहीं था.
That's the submission, my Lord.
क्या करना चाहिए था उनको?
My Lord, if the Chief Election Commissioner has resigned, the election had to take place in terms of paragraphs 2 and 3.
खत में क्या लिखा है? उन्हें रिजाइन किया या उनको रिमूव किया?
It says that Mr. Gohar Khan has resigned and therefore you are being appointed. Page 89. Page 89, part 1. Following the resignation of Barrister Gohar Khan on 27th November 2023, it is notified that Mr. Niazullah Khan Niazi is hereby appointed as CEC, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, with immediate effect.
अगर आप ये भी कह रहे हैं कि ये सेक्रेटरी जनरल कैसे अपॉइंट हुआ उनका?
Yes, sir. And that is the other point which we make in that order by the Election Commission, that the Secretary General himself could not have been appointed in this manner, and in any event on our record Mr. Asad Umar still continues on
as
our
Secretary General.
As the Secretary General. On our record Mr. Umar Ayub was never brought on election commission.
तो इलेक्शन कमीशन को इन्फॉर्म करना जरूरी है कि सेक्रेटरी जनरल चेंज हो गया?
My Lord, because the list of party bearers is filed with us, and we need to know who is there.
किस लॉ के तहत?
My Lord,
किस लॉ के तहत?
My Lord, under the Election Act, they have.
हाँ, Election Act के जरा relevant provisions बताएं हमें. Because we've seen their constitution, we want to see now the law.
Yes, my Lord. If your Lordship may see, the first provision in this respect is 200. Your Lordship will see Chapter 11, Political Parties. And then this is how 201, how the political party is constituted. A political party shall formulate.
वो ना पढ़े relevant बात बताएं.
जी सर. सर B में आप देखें organizational structure of the party at the federal, provincial and local levels, whichever is.
कौन सा सेक्शन मैंने पढ़ रहे हैं आप?
200.
My Lord, 201.
Section 200.
200 या 201?
201 sir. 200 is just who will be a political party. 201 is shall constitute, formulate, so it's a requirement of the law. A political party shall formulate its constitution by whatever name called, which shall include the aims and objectives of the political party. B, organizational structure of the political party at the federal, provincial and local levels. Then membership fees, designation and tenure of the office bearers of the political party. Criteria for receipt and collection of funds for the political party. And F, my Lord, procedure for 1, election of office bearers. 2, power and function of office bearers, including financial.
वो subsection 3 है मेरे ख्याल में.
My Lord, any change in the constitution of a political party shall be communicated to the Commission within 15 days of incorporation of the change, and the Commission shall maintain updated records of the constitutions of all the political parties.
Constitution, are we here referring to the constitution of the body or
Yes,
constitution document?
My Lord, in my submission, this sounds like the constitution of the body, constitution of a political party.
Yes.
तो ये है 2013।
Yes.
तो हमारा सवाल था क्या क्यों बताएं आपको, तो 201 ये लाजिम करता है उनको कि बताएं आपको।
Yes, ma'am.
तीन।
And then 202, how the political parties are enlisted. And then if your lordship may proceed.
तो ये आपसे राब्ता पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का मुतवातिर होना चाहिए।
Sir,
ये जो आप कह रहे हैं ये सिर्फ आप इनके लिए तो नहीं कर रहे हैं, सारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के कर रहे
that's true for every political party.
हैं। नहीं, आपने ये तो नहीं किया इम्तियाजी सलूक इनके साथ।
No, sir, no, not at all. We have required this of every political party. Then your lordship will see section 206. This is the selection for elective offices. Then 207, functioning of a political party. And that requires them to convene a general meeting every year. It requires that they shall have an elected general council at the federal, provincial and local levels. Then your lordship will see 208. The office bearers of a political party at the federal, provincial and local levels, wherever applicable, shall be elected periodically in accordance with the constitution of the political party, provided that a period not exceeding 5 years shall intervene between any two elections. Any member of a political, then who can participate, my lord? Any member of a political party, subject to the provisions of the constitution of the political party, be provided with an equal opportunity of contesting election for any political party
मेंबरशिप
office.
की डिटेल्स भी आपको देना होती है नहीं?
सर ऑफिस बेयर्स की डिटेल्स देते हैं ये,
मेंबरशिप की जरूरत नहीं है।
Initially देते हैं।
Right, when the party is enlisted, at the time of its enlistment, they provide, because the requirement is that they should be at least have 2,000 members before it can be enlisted as a political party by the election commission.
और 209 क्या कहता है?
200, सर अगर 208 एक बार और देख लें सर, a member of a political party shall, subject to the provisions of the constitution of the political party, be provided with an equal opportunity of contesting elections for any party office. Subsection 3.
आपका बुनियादी तौर पे ये केस है 208(2) का,
Yes.
कि आपने अपने मेंबरान को ये मौका नहीं दिया कि वो इलेक्शन लड़ सके।
And in respect of Mr. Umar Ayyub, your lordship may see also subsection 4, the political party shall publish the updated list of its central officer bearers and executive committee members by whatever name called on its website and send the list and any subsequent change in it to the commission.